Good morning, my foxy people. It is windy out here. Very windy. I'm hoping tucking into these tall grasses it won't be as bad. Wanted to wish you guys a happy, Wednesday here, or also known as Hump Day. I wonder if those camels ever feel it when we say that. Feel the love, camels. Feel the love. Anyways, out for my walk today, guys. I hope that you guys are having a great week. I hope your weekend was grand. Do you guys have any plans for this weekend? Comment below, like, subscribe. I'm so happy to see you here. Again, it's pretty early in the morning. As you can see, it's pretty dark. The sun is just starting to peak. Still have stars and planets. Where I live, there's just so many city lights, I can't really see too many stars, but still very, very beautiful this time of day. And I wanted to get on and say happy Wednesday. We're doing our first vlog today, so make sure you keep an eye out for that video. It'll be our very first tips, tricks, and tablespoons video. And I hope you guys will join along. And we'll see where this series goes. Super excited about it. But we'll catch you guys in the next short or the next video, whatever comes first. Stay foxy, stay beautiful. I love you.